Your website is technically live, but right now, it likely has a long, forgettable address and no lock icon keeping it secure. Let's fix both of those, starting with the name. A domain name is simply a short, memorable name for your website, like yoursite.com. Remember DNS, the Internet's phone book from earlier in this course. A domain name is exactly what gets looked up there. Getting one is simple. You search for your desired name through a domain registrar to see if it's available. Then purchase it and connect it to the site you already built and deployed. That green padlock icon you've seen in every browser is powered by something called an SSL certificate. It encrypts the connection between a visitor and your server, so information passed between them can't be read by anyone else. SSL isn't optional in the modern web. It's essential for 3 reasons. It protects sensitive data like passwords. Search engines actively favor secure sites in their rankings, and visitors simply expect to see that padlock before they trust a site with their information. Put a clean domain name together with SSL and you've got what every visitor expects: a website that feels trustworthy and professional right from the very first glance at the address bar. Your site now has a name, a lock, and a real home online. Next, let's zoom out and walk through the entire developer workflow, start to finish, from idea to a deployed working product.